I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting Touch ID setup now, no delays. First, confirm your phone supports fingerprint authentication and has at least 10% battery. Once ready, open Settings and go to Touch ID and passcode or biometrics immediately, then enter your device passcode. Make sure your finger and the sensor are dry and clean. Oils or moisture will block a proper read. Begin the Add Finger or Register Finger flow. Follow on-screen prompts and place the center of your finger on the sensor when prompted to start capture. Now you'll complete the core capture routine. Follow the prompts to touch the sensor repeatedly. Vary angle and pressure so the system records the center, edges, and the tip of your finger. Lift and reposition between presses, don't slide. Lift straight up and place back down. If the progress seems slow, slightly rotate your finger to capture different ridges. Continue until the on-screen progress bar reaches 100%. This diverse sampling is why Touch ID works reliably across angles and quick touches. Finish by naming the fingerprint and toggling the features you want: device unlock, app access, or payments. Test immediately. Lock the phone and unlock with the enrolled finger to confirm speed and consistency. If recognition fails frequently, re-enroll the same finger or register a second finger for backup. As a troubleshooting step, clean the sensor and your finger, remove any screen film that overlaps the sensor, and retry enrollment. If problems persist, try a different finger or reboot the phone before re-enrolling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.